My life stopped March 24th when I lost my son.
Grief fuels a fight over a thrill ride. Tonight, the case in Florida that's causing a family to turn their focus to Austin.
Before the Circuit of the Americas, new theme park Codaland is set to fully open in Austin later this year. One ride is already attracting attention. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Jennifer Sanders.
I'm Daniel Marin. KXAN investigator Matt Grant reports tonight on the legal battle to intervene stemming from one family's loss.
A family's fight to hold a foreign ride maker accountable is putting Codaland in the crosshairs of their attorney, who tell me they plan to file an injunction in the coming weeks to stop construction of a new drop tower. Park officials say unfairly, so we set out to dig for answers.
My life stopped. My life stopped March 24th, but I lost my son. It does not go on.
Next month marks 4 years since 14-year-old Tyre Sampson was killed. According to engineers hired by the state of Florida to investigate, the teen slipped out of his safety restraint harness as this free-fall ride in Orlando began descending from more than 400 feet in the air.
I'm mad, I'm sickening, all of that.
Sampson's mother, Nekia Dodd, spoke with reporters in Orlando after import records we obtained show the ride's manufacturer, Funtime Handels of Austria, is producing another drop tower at Codaland.
I hate this. I mean, it's like you just slapping me in my face over and over and over.
Dodd's attorney, Michael Haggard, plans to argue in a Travis County court that Funtime should not be allowed to do business in Austin or anywhere in the U.S. after failing to pay a $310 million judgment a jury awarded the family 14 months ago in 2024. Court records show the company was found negligent in the manufacturing, design, construction, and supervision of the ride. The judge said Funtime made a conscious decision not to attend or participate in the trial or any further legal proceedings. Funtime has not responded to the verdict or our requests for comment.
It's not right. They should not be able to do business in the same exact business in the United States when they're not satisfying judgments.
As far as ride's going to be, your drop tower.
Last fall, Codaland mentioned to KXAN its new drop tower several times during a tour of the still under construction theme park, where the nearby racetrack already draws hundreds of thousands of Formula One fans. Park officials say the decision to work with Funtime was made before Sampson's death in 2022, stressing the ride will be fundamentally different and safer using all new parts. Unlike in Orlando, the Austin ride will be half the size at 218 feet, won't tilt, and will have seatbelts, a safety feature not present on the Orlando ride.
So that's a positive safety addition. Had they been in Orlando, they would have made this ride much, much safer.
Bryant Buckner is an engineer hired by the state of Florida to investigate the Sampson case. His report concluded the ride operator in Florida manually adjusted two seats to accommodate larger riders, like Sampson, who slipped out of a gap in the safety restraint. According to the autopsy obtained by the NBC affiliate in Orlando, Sampson weighed nearly 100 pounds more than the maximum recommended limit. The ride operator settled out of court and was fined $250,000, the station reported, for actions that led to Sampson's death. In a statement, Codaland tells us any litigation, allegations, or incidents involving other parks or operators do not reflect the safety, oversight, or operation of Codaland's ride. In your professional opinion, do you feel this ride will be safe?
I think it should be.
Codaland says it will enforce a 286-pound weight limit with a rare safety step, installing a scale at the ride's entrance that will flash red or green, indicating if someone is eligible to ride.
The case is not over.
Despite those changes, Haggard plans to file an injunction to stop the Austin drop tower, hoping a Texas court will force Funtime to pay. Florida Congressman Maxwell Frost is now looking into whether any laws need to change to better hold foreign companies with outstanding judgments accountable.
You went through our justice system and you were given a verdict and you haven't lived up even to a portion of it, and now you want to make another ride in one of our communities? I think you need to put the brakes on it. And so, our office will look into it as well.
Before any ride can open to the public, the Texas Department of Insurance says it must first pass an independent inspection. TDI says so far Codaland has not submitted anything related to this ride, and it appears so far construction has yet to start on it. Park officials say no unauthorized modifications will be made to the drop tower, telling us the ride will be, quote, incredibly fun and redundantly safe. In Austin, Matt Grant, KXAN investigates.
All right, Matt, thank you. And the Orlando drop tower was dismantled in 2023. Import records that we obtained show that Funtime has manufactured rides used in 13 states and more than 25 locations, including a non-tilting drop tower at Dollywood in Tennessee, which opened in 2017. Codaland says the Dollywood Tower inspired its own version. According to the International Association of Amusement Parks and Attractions, more than 385 million people safely go on rides in North America every year, saying the chance of being seriously injured on a permanently built amusement park ride in the U.S. is 1 in 15.5 million.